As a little boy, growing up in Haiti, I loved the movies of Bruce Lee,
Jackie Chan.
One day I'd whisper,
I'll walk in China.
After months of research, I traveled to China for business opportunities. My salesman Ravi from India, living in Beijing, China, found an order for 10 containers of beer. So I flew to Belgium, then to Amsterdam, the Netherlands, to fulfill that order to China. When every door stayed closed, I built my own company,
88 Lucky Beer,
based in Washington, D.C., USA.
in China. 8 stands for luck,
wealth and prosperity, and that is why my craft beer is named
888 Lucky Beer.
after successful craft beers events in New York, Maryland,
In Washington, D.C.
I launched the 888 Lucky Beer in Shanghai, China, then in Taiwan, Japan, South Korea, United Kingdom, Sweden, Mexico, and Haiti. Then went back to Beijing, where nationwide distribution in China finally opened up a door I will never forget.
At the craft beer event in Beijing,
2 wonderful people
from JD.com
stopped by my table.
they tasted my 888 Lucky Craft Beer.
They said,
We like it. We'll introduce you to our buyer. The dream for $1 billion of sales was just one heartbeat away.
but before I had left for Beijing,
China,
I had called my parents in Haiti. My mother whispered,
my son, am I going to die and not see you before I leave this world?
tell me,
What would you have done?
would you have boarded the plane to Beijing or gone home
I traveled home to Haiti.
to visit my parents? Then my father quietly said,
If I could only restock my fabric business, I could repay the people who trusted me.
my mom stated that the roles have reversed.
Now I am the parent and she is the child.
Tell me,
What would you have done?
would you have chosen the $1 billion dream or honored your parents' final wish?
Dreams can wait,
Parents cannot businesses.
can be rebuilt.
If life asked me again,
I would make
the same choice.
every time.
Yes, I chose to honor my parents. I have never regretted it, but I have never forgotten Beijing, China, or JD.com. Just before the COVID pandemic locked the whole world, I went to Florida to launch
888 Lucky Beer.
Found a distributor, then paid the whole money to brew the beer. Then COVID came,
Suddenly,
the whole world stopped, doors closed everywhere. Distribution company went bankrupt and lost the whole production of 888 Lucky Beer was lost. My dream is still the
to
same,
introduce 88 Lucky Beer.
to craft beer lovers in America, in China, Africa, and worldwide. Delayed by the pandemic, but never forgotten, 888 Lucky Beer is back in Washington,
D.C.
calling brewers,
distributors,
calling hotels,
restaurants,
bars in
D.C.
festivals,
liquor stores,
and craft beer lovers in the DMV. And when 888,
Lucky Beer is selling worldwide.
my first toast won't be,
to my success,
I'll lift that bottle slowly,
and whisper 2 names,
Man Michello,
and Poppy Dodo.
my parents, and to craft beers lovers worldwide.
TimTim.Live.
Today, I have reused the Konpa of TimTim.Live as a gift to
Craft beers lovers worldwide.
because music never asks where we were born.
It only asks.
Are you ready to listen?
Every bottle of 888.
We sell,
88 Lucky Beer.
We sell.
Every bottle of 888.
we sell
88 Lucky
around the
Beer.
world.
We'll help fund
A rocket-free spaceship
for exploration.
to the moon.
Yes, to the moon in the sky.
Not for one,
but everyone. Because
a founding explorer
to the moon, yes, that's correct. The one moon.
at TimTim.Live. Every village has a song, every family has a story, every creator deserves to be heard. Share your gift with the world.
Konpa to the world.
TimTim.Live.
Live.
I love you.